Hey everyone, today we're talking about Demat accounts. Investing is super easy these days, and a Demat account helps you with that. Demat is short for dematerialized account. It's like a digital locker for your stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. No more paper certificates. With a Demat account, buying, selling, and tracking your investments is a breeze. Think of it like online banking, but for your investments. You wouldn't carry tons of cash around, right? Demat accounts keep your investments safe and easy to manage. Banks and financial institutions called depository participants manage these accounts. They're like helpers between you and the depositories, making sure everything runs smoothly. Before Demat accounts, things were complicated. Investors had to deal with paper share certificates. This was a lot of work, took a long time, and there was always a risk of losing or damaging those certificates. Demat accounts changed everything, making investing easier and safer for everyone. More people can invest now, which is great for the stock market. Opening a Demat account is simple. First, choose a depository participant or DP. These are usually banks or financial institutions. Compare a few DPs based on their fees, reputation, and services. Once you've picked a DP, fill out an application. You can usually do this online or at a branch. Next, provide some documents like proof of identity, proof of address, and your PAN card. This is for KYC, which means Know Your Customer. After you submit your documents, the DP will check them. Once everything is verified, your Demat account will be open, and you'll get a special account number. Connect your Demat account to your bank account for easy money transfers. Now you're ready to start investing. Demat accounts have many advantages. No more paper share certificates. This means no more risk of losing or damaging them. It's also much more convenient. You can access your Demat account online from anywhere. This lets you check your investments, buy or sell, and track your portfolio easily. Demat accounts also make transactions faster. Because everything is electronic, trades happen quickly. This is really helpful for stock trading. Section 4. Understanding Demat account charges. Demat accounts are great, but they do have some charges. These charges depend on the depository participant you choose. One common charge is the annual maintenance charge, or AMC. This is a yearly fee to keep your account open. You'll also pay transaction fees when you buy or sell. These fees are usually a small percentage of what you're buying or selling. Some DPs might also charge custody fees for holding your investments. Compare the charges of different DPs before opening an account. This helps you find the best one for you. So, a Demat account is really important for investors today. It's a safe, easy, and efficient way to manage your investments. By understanding how to open an account, its benefits, and the charges, you can make smart choices and start investing with confidence. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Saving Savvy for more wonderful content. Thank you.